Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Beaumont, Alberta is a small city located just southeast of Edmonton. It's a rapidly growing city known for its unique French-inspired architecture, vibrant bilingual culture, and family-friendly small-town charm. The area is situated on the traditional lands of Indigenous peoples who lived and traveled across the region long before settlement. Modern development began in the late 1800s when French-speaking settlers arrived and established farms in the area. The town's name, Beaumont, comes from the French words meaning beautiful hill, reflecting both the heritage of its founders and the gently rolling landscape. In its early years, Beaumont developed as a rural farming community with strong French roots. For much of the 20th century, French was commonly spoken in homes, schools, and local businesses. This cultural influence helped shape the town's identity, setting it apart from many other communities in Alberta. Even as English became more widely used, Beaumont maintained its bilingual character and continues to celebrate its Francophone heritage today. Beaumont remained a small village for many decades, with agriculture as the main economic driver. Its proximity to Edmonton gradually brought change, especially in the late 20th century as the surrounding region expanded. Improved roads and transportation links made it easier for people to live in Beaumont while working in nearby urban centers, leading to steady population growth. Today, Beaumont is known for blending its historic character with modern suburban development. The downtown area features design elements inspired by its French heritage, including architecture and street layouts that give it a distinct identity. Local events and festivals often highlight this cultural background, helping preserve traditions while welcoming new residents. The city also offers a range of parks, pathways, and recreational spaces that contribute to a high quality of life. Open green areas and nearby countryside provide opportunities for outdoor activities, while community facilities support sports, gatherings, and year-round events. These features make Beaumont an appealing place for families and visitors alike. Overall, Beaumont has grown from a small Francophone farming settlement into a modern and connected city. Its history, cultural roots, and steady development reflect broader patterns seen across Alberta, while still maintaining a unique local identity shaped by its early settlers. Thanks for watching!